Hello everyone, this is Charles Phillips with McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Today I'm going to show you how to use the automatic lift gate and to adjust some settings with the automatic lift gate as well in the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Alright, so what we're going to do for today's video is show you how to use the 3/4 setting and how to set that lift gate to the exact height that you want. So what we're going to do first off is right here on the door. You're going to see your control knob for the lift gate to open it from the inside. So right now it's set to max, and you can see that by that little white line there. So what we're going to do first is turn that line to the 3/4 setting. Alright, now we're going to get out of the vehicle, come around to the back, go ahead and open that lift gate. Alright, now we want to stop it kind of at the height we want, okay? So if you park in a garage or a carport, something like that, and you don't want to worry about that lift gate hitting the top of it, just stop it where you'd like. Press and hold the button here, and you'll hear a series of beeps and the lights flash. Alright, so now it's set to that height for the 3/4 button. So what we're going to do, just to make sure that that's set it properly, we're going to close the lift gate. Alright, now we're going to press the button again and open it, and we see it stopped right where we wanted it. So there it is, guys, the 3/4 opening or adjustable opening in the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. If you have any questions, please do come by and see us at McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people.